Okay, we'll be discussing one of the graphical method of data presentation, which is known as a box and whisker
plot. This box and whisker plot can be used to present a data so that it can make meaning for someone to easily interpret. Okay, so that is what we're going to look at today. So looking at the points here, these are the scores of player Kunle. He played a game for 7 times. At the first point, he got 10 points. At the second game, he got 17 points. The third game, he got 5 points. So all the 7 games he played, these are the scores he got. Now we want to find out what is the likely or the highest goal or point that Kunle is likely to score. What is the mean? What is the median of his score and all that? We use box and whisker plots to present data in a summarized form. Okay, so but first, before we can be able to judge that this is the mean or median, we have to present it in a box and whisker format. So first, we take out these points
and do what? Rearrange it. We arrange from the lowest to the highest. That's where we'll be able to get 5, 10, 16, 17, 18, 20, 32. Okay, so you rearrange it. That's the first step. Then the second step is for you to identify the median of the distribution. What is the median of the distribution? How can you do that? You count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the middle number, and this is called the median of this distribution. You circle it. Now, since you have gotten the median of this distribution, the next step is to identify the upper and lower extreme numbers. From your arrangement, you find out that the lowest extreme number is 5 and the highest extreme number is 32, sorry. Now you have identified your lower and upper extreme numbers. Then the fourth step is to find the median for the upper and for the lower. What do we mean by that? If you check now, from here to here is a different number, it's a different set. From here to here, so we want to find the middle number from here to here and from here to here. And if you look critically, you find out that the middle number between 16 and 5 is 10. You get it. Then why the middle number between 18 and 32 is 20. So this one now is called the upper. Why it is called the lower? Okay. Now we have gotten the data we need for our plotter, for our box and whisker plots. The next thing we do, we now want to represent it. We draw a line. We now fix in these numbers. Now we have drawn our line already, and we choose a graduation of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That's the graduation we took. Now, considering our numbers, which is 5, 10, 16, 17, 18, 20, 32, and look at the numbers we are interested now. We trace for 5. We come here and put a dot. This is 5. Then we trace for 10. We come here and put a dot. We trace for 17. 17 is found between 15 and 20. We put a dot. Then we trace for 20. Put a dot. We trace for 32, sorry, we put a dot. So once you have gotten to this point, you now have to join the lines so that they will match. Okay, and be in the box and whisker plot system. What do? We draw our first line from here up. We also go here and draw up to enclose the median. Okay, now we enclose the median and it will be inside a box. Once we have done this, we connect this line with this one. We also connect this one with this one. So this is how box and whisker plot is being done. From here now, we can say that the highest score this man can score in this game is 32, and the lowest score he can is 5, and the middle number or the median of his score is this particular 17. So this is how it's being carried out.